In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Planner language if your Planner interface is showing up in a language you don't want, or you simply prefer working in another language. The good news is that you can update it through your Microsoft account settings in just a few moments. I'll walk you through the exact path so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Microsoft Planner. Once you're on the Planner page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the menu where Microsoft places several account and personalization options. From that menu, click on Change Your Language. This will take you all from the Planner workspace and into the language settings area for your Microsoft account. That's important to know because the language used in Planner is tied to your broader Microsoft display settings rather than a setting inside an individual plan. When the language settings page opens, click on Display Language. This section controls the language used across supported Microsoft web experiences, including Planner. Next, click on Change Display Language. At this point, you'll be taken into the area where you can review and adjust your current language preferences. If the language you want is already available in your account, you may simply need to select it. If not, you'll first need to add it. To do that, click on Preferred Languages. This section shows the languages currently associated with your account and gives you the option to add another one. Now click on Add a Language. A list or search field should appear, allowing you to find the language you want to use. Take your time here and choose carefully, especially if there are regional variations, since Microsoft may offer multiple versions of the same language. After adding it, click on Translation. This helps bring up the language-related options connected to that new selection. Then click on Change Language to make the update. Once the change is applied, Microsoft may need a moment to refresh the setting. In some cases, you may need to reload Planner, sign out and back in, or wait briefly for the display language to update across Microsoft services. That's normal, and that's it. By going through settings, opening the language options, adding your preferred language if needed, and then changing the display language, you can update the language used in Microsoft Planner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.